pretty relaxed. I really hope that things work out. Knowing me, I don't take chances. Some persons are saying, don't worry, you've got it. But I don't take chances, and I'm not gloating. Right? I'm very humbled. When I look at the support, the outpouring of love, I'm really humbled, because I think that many terms deserve another. And I have spent 26 years from 1981 to from 1981 to 2007 as a political representative in this division. And I think that my work and my record of performance speaks for itself. And I think I will be rewarded by the people of this Morandi division.
You're campaigning on a record of achievement, and obviously you are no newcomer to this.
Indeed.
What makes the second time around different from what you would have done in previous years? And what new plans will you be coming to the constituency if you win?
There are a lot to be done. I have been advocating over those years for a central sewage system for Morandi. That is indeed a very necessary action for a central sewage system. And when I look around and I see the level of youth unemployment, there is a heart center in license, and a lot of persons are not taking it up. And I think that I am the best person to provide that leadership, to sort of talk to people and encourage them as to the benefits of the HEART program.
And speaking of leadership, you were also mayor of Morandi.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are to come out successful in this election, are you planning to go for that position again?
No, because the law states that you have to have a majority of the municipal corporation. And
But would that be in the plans for the future?
No, I don't want to be mayor 2 times. Well, I want to be councillor. I don't want to be mayor 2 times. Because as you are aware, I don't know how many of you are aware that I am also the People's National Party candidate for Eastern St. Thomas
for the general election.
elections.
Okay, so bigger plans in store.
Indeed.
Okay.
Indeed.
All right.